Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Mobile Legends auto restart problem. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it myself. I firstly just completely closed my Mobile Legends app, so just actually exit the app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just go into your settings app. In here, we're just going to scroll down and click on General. And by the way, you can probably see that I'm using an iPhone, but if you have an Android phone, don't worry. You can also do the exact same step-by-step guide if you're using an Android as well. Just you're going to actually basically just find something similar to General, or like go into settings on your Android and then find something similar to General in there as well. And then scroll down and click on Storage in here as you can see. So if you have an iPhone, just find iPhone storage. If you have an Android, just find your Android storage, obviously. And then in here, we can just scroll all the way up like this until we can see the search bar up top. Search for Mobile Legends right here and click on it. And then click on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App in here. You're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the reinstall app button here. And then just simply wait for your Mobile Legend app to completely update to its latest version. So this actually shouldn't log you out of your app if you're worried about that. At least it didn't do so for me. So I hope that it shouldn't do so for you as well, of course. But yeah, the only thing that happened when everything was done here is that like I got the most updated version of the app, and all the bugs that I have in the previous update, it was all gone basically. So with this new update, it completely fixed the app for me. I haven't had any problems that it hasn't worked after I did this update. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.